safe record. We've never used them. The river's 3 to 5 feet deep. You fall in, stand up, and walk out of here. On our left, the La Mansión del Rio, the hotel opened for the 1968 World's Fair as the La Posada. The site was originally St. Mary's School for Boys, founded 1853. It evolved into St. Mary's University and School of Law. They relocated northwest of here. I'm going to show you an optical illusion, the Nix Hospital. From down here, it looks like a 26-story wall. As we come out from underneath the bridge, I want you to look straight up in the air on our left side of the boat. Do you see the wall? Straight up.
Digo de este, está hablando de este.
How about that? They have the hospital, pharmacy, clinic, doctor's offices, ambulance service, parking garage under one roof. Carol Burnett, Oliver North, and Michael Nesmith were born here. Michael Nesmith, he sang with the Monkees. His mother invented liquid paper. If you look up high straight ahead of us, you'll see the Hyatt Regency Riverwalk. The hotel opened in 1981. They limited the height to 16 stories so as not to cast a shadow on the Alamo when the sun sets. You can head from the Riverwalk through the Hyatt Regency up the beautifully landscaped walkway to the Alamo, the Paseo del Alamo, passage to the Alamo on the left. Have you been up to the Alamo?
To the Alamo that way.
My relative.